Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on location services of Mango application. So let's get started. Begin by opening settings on your mobile device. Once you open the settings, scroll down and tap on apps option. Among all of these options, select manage apps. Now, in the search bar, type in Mango and perform your search. And tap on Mango application. Now this screen is going to show up. Select App Permissions option. To turn on location services of Mango application, tap on Location option which is under Not Allowed option. And then select Allow while using the app option. And this is how you can turn on location services of Mango application. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.